Good day, everyone. I hope everyone have a great day. First thing first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Benedictus Wilanata Ariwidiarto with NIM 24040300017. I'm from Group 2, and the following are each members of Group 2.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdul Fikra, study number 2404030003.
Hi guys, my name is Reva Julia Putri with NIM 24040300005.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Claudia Zetri Naila Maharani and my name 2404030006.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Devi Pitaloka and my name is 2404030013.
My name is Yassi Martanadia. My name is 24040300025.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Haifa, name 24040300035.
Today, we would like to present to you our result of a discussion on the topic of English in statistics.
In this moment, I will explain vocabulary English in statistics. Some of them are statistic, population, sample, data and datum, and then model. Number one is statistic. Definition of statistic is the science of planning, collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It is a branch of applied mathematics. Number two is population. In statistics, a population refers to the entire set of objects or subjects of a study. A population includes all individuals or elements with specific characteristics relevant to the research topic. Number three, they are sample. A sample is a subset of the population selected to represent the entire population in a study. Number four is data and datum. When multiple pieces of datum are combined, they form data. Data is the plural form of datum. However, in everyday language, the term data is often used for both singular and plural contexts. Number five is model. The model is the value that appears most frequently in a set of statistical data. It is also the majority value of the value with the highest frequency. Thank you.
Today I will explain some vocabulary in statistics are useful when working with data. Number one is interval, a continuous range between two numerical values. In statistics, it is often used to group data into categories or to measure distance between a value on a scale. Two, distribution. The way data points or value are spread across data. It shows how frequently each value occurs and can take forms such as normal distribution, uniform distribution, or skew distribution. Three is lower limit, the small or minimum value within a given range, class, or interval. In frequency distribution table, it represents the starting point of a class interval. Four is descriptive, referring to the process of summarizing or representing data in meaningful way using a statistical technique such as mean, median, and mode. It does not involve making prediction or inference. Uh, Five is coefficient, a numerical or constant factor that multiply a variable in mathematical expression. In statistics, it often indicates the strength and this direction or of a relationship between two variables. Thank you.
Today, I will explain some vocabulary in statistics. First vocabulary is a parameter. Parameter is a fixed numerical value that describes a characteristic of an entire population, such as mean or standard deviation. It contrasts with statistic, which describes a sample. The second vocabulary is a decile. Decile is a statistical measure that divides a dataset into 10 equal parts. Each part represented 10% of the ordered data. It helping to understand the distribution and identify data percentile. The third vocabulary is a ratio. Ratio is a quantitative comparison between two numbers. It showing of one value exists relative to another. It is commonly expressed with a structure or with color. The next vocabulary is a method. Method is a systematic and structured approach or procedure used to gather, analyze, and interpret data. In research and statistics, method ensure the accuracy and consistency in data collection and analysis. The last vocabulary is a mode. Mode refers to the value in the dataset that appears most frequently. It can be determined for both individual data and group data.
So today I will give you an explanation about some vocabulary in statistics that I use when I'm studying statistic mathematics. So here's the explanation. First, mean. Mean is the average value of dataset, calculated by summing all data points and dividing by the total number of data points. It represents that overall distribution of the data, but is sensitive to the presence of extreme value. Second is median. The median is the middle value in a set of data when arranged in ascending or descending order. Third, table. A table is an organized arrangement of data, typically in row and column, used to systematically display information for easy reference and analysis. Fourth, diagram. Diagram in statistics is a visual representation of data that use shapes and symbols to show statistical information. Fifth, a histogram. A histogram is a graph that shows how data is distributed across a range of value.
Okay, on this occasion, I will explain about English in statistics. Number 21 is frequency. Frequency is the number of times a value occurs in a dataset. Frequency can be expressed as absolute or relative frequency. Number 22 is standard deviation. A standard deviation is a measure of how dispersed the data is in relation to the mean. Number 23 in inductive. Inductive statistics is a branch of statistics that uses data from samples to make conclusions, predictions, and generalizations. Number 24 is quartile. A quartile is a statistical term that describes a division of observations into four definite intervals based on the values of the data and how they compare to the entire set of observations. And number 25 is variance. Variance is a measurement of the spread between numbers in a dataset. Thank you.
26. Chart. A chart in statistics is a visual representation of data that helps makes it easier to understand and interpret. 27. Curve. In statistics, a curve is a line that shows the relationship between variables in a graph. Curve can be used to represent a variety of statistical distribution, such as normal curve, distribution curve, and line charts. 28. Variable. A variable is any characteristic number or quantity that can be measured or counted. A variable may also be called a data item. 29. Analysis. Statistical analysis is the process of collecting and analyzing data to identify patterns and trends. It also can be used to test hypotheses and draw conclusions. Number 30, constant. A constant can be defined as fixed value, which is used in algebraic expression and equation. A constant does not change over time and has a fixed value.
Now I will explain vocabulary in English in statistics mm, are useful when working with data. Uh, the 31 is numerical. Numerical data, also known as quantitative data, is data that typical present in number form, and it doesn't include any language or descriptive form. It's always measurable and you can add it together. The 32 is upper limit. In statistics, an upper limit is the highest value in a class interval or data set. It can also refer to the largest possible value of a true measurement. The 33 is cumulative data. In statistics, cumulative data is the total amount of information gathered over a period of time. 34. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is in statistics is numerical data that can be count, measured, or given a numerical value. It is used to answer questions like how many, how much, or how often. The 35 is percentile. Percentile is a number denoting the position of a data point within a numeric dataset by indicating the percentage of the dataset with a lesser value. Thank you.
That's all the presentation from our group. We apologize if there are any errors. Thank you for your attention.